Hey guys, here's the video for numbers 1 through 3. So if you got one of these wrong, you should be watching this, and you can fast forward to whatever one you got wrong. So first thing I'm going to do for number 1, 2, and 3 is draw a net. Since these are pyramids, I'm going to draw a net for a pyramid. Now, for number 1, I'm just going to draw, remember, a pyramid has a square base, and the square is surrounded by triangles on each side, and it definitely doesn't have to be perfect. Now, if you look here, I already have the nets drawn for 2 and 3, so you don't have to watch me do that. So it's a good idea to have your nets drawn. Next, what I'm going to do is find the area for each of these faces. So let me zoom in on number 1 here. So number 1, for the square, I have to do 9 times 9, which gets me 81. Now for the triangle, I'll switch over here to purple. Remember, the area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. So the base of this triangle is 9. The height of the triangle is 16. And half times 16 times 9 is 72. So each of these triangles is the same. They're all 72. So to get your surface area, you have to add all of those up. Now what I'm actually going to do is type in 72 times 4, because there's 4 of them, plus 81, a little bit quicker, and I get 369 square kilometers, since it is area. All right, let's move over to problem 2. So problem 2 is another pyramid. I already have my net drawn, so I'm going to start with a square base. 4 times 4 is 16. And then I'm going to move on to the triangles. Remember, the triangles are half times the base is 4 times the height is 5. And when I solve that, I get 10. So each of the triangles has an area of 10 square feet. When I add these up, the 4 tens is 40, plus 16 is 56. So this should be 56 square feet. All right, and final, number 3. Now, don't get messed up because this one has fractions. No big deal. So for the square base, I'm going to do 1 and 1/4 times 1 and 1/4. And if I do that, I get 1 and 9/16. Okay, so now for the triangles, remember it's half times base times height. So half times the base is 1 and 1/4 times the height is 2. And if I do that, I get 1 and 1/4. So each one of those triangles is going to be 1 and 1/4. Okay, so if I add these up, I end up getting 6 and 9/16 square yards. All right, so that's it for 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you can rewind the video, you can pause it, you can go back and look at any you got wrong, and make your corrections. Thanks, guys.